Hey everyone, and let's unbox this Zeiss Batis, or Batis. I've heard it pronounced both ways. Couldn't tell you which is right, but I'm going to call it the Batis f2 25mm. And here we have the optical design on the box. Something in German. I'm guessing it says this is the moment we work for. Yes. Okay. Open it up, and here, that's very well packaged. That's very nice. Here's the Batis 25mm f2. We'll start off with the lens hood right here. It is a plastic bayonet style lens hood with the indicator for how you're supposed to line it up when it's on the lens. Here is the lens itself. You can see it's got to take the plastic dude off the screen. There we go. We have this screen, which turns on when it's connected to a camera, so we'll do that in just a moment, and we'll see how that works and how to access the settings in the lens. Other than that, very well built. I'm assuming it's entirely internal I'm assuming it's internally focusing. We'll find out more when I get it actually connected to a camera. Serial number, everything like that. Down here we have the manual, which is going to tell us, I would assume, how to use the settings. The name of the quality assurance person, and I just wanted to let you know, Mr. or Mrs. Nami, you've done a very good job. And some other packaging information. And then this is pretty well glued in, so I think we've got everything. That is, I'm not going to lie, a very nice box. Alright, now what we're going to do is figure out how to set the settings on this lens, because it's not enough that lenses be lenses. They have to have settings now. Okay, got the manual. Electronic display. First off, let's turn on the camera. Nope, now we'll turn on the camera. Okay. Close up, long distance, okay. Both modes can be changed. The display can be changed from meters to feet and vice versa. Turn the focus ring 360 degrees past the infinity position, which is counterclockwise. So this is counterclockwise. We're going to turn this a full rotation. This is not working quite as billed. Okay. So infinity, we'll just keep turning. Now it's changed automatically to feet. Okay, so if we keep turning it, it should automatically change back to meters again. There we go. So it does have, the camera does have to be in manual focus mode for this to work. Okay, the display mode can be changed by turning the focus ring 360 degrees beyond the infinity position. That's the other way. So we'll keep turning this until we get to our menu. Okay, display on, manual focus, or off. Now what on means is that the display will be on whenever the camera is on. I'm sure this thing doesn't use that much battery life, so with the batteries on most Sony cameras, at least the modern generations of them, leaving this on all the time shouldn't really be a consideration. However, I'm going to leave this in manual focus only, but, oops, let's try to get back into that menu again. I'm going to leave this in manual focus only because I want this display as a reminder that I have manual focus set to on. Now, how do we change this? On, the display is always powered on, manual focus, only manual focus, and then off, of course, the display is always off. So if you don't think you would ever need the display, you can turn that to off. The modes are set by turning the focus ring counterclockwise until, nope. So let's get back into that menu. The modes are set by turning the focus ring counterclockwise until the desired mode is reached. But as soon as I turn it counterclockwise, it puts me back into focus. Interesting. So just try inching it. That doesn't work either. Okay. So the 360-degree rotation doesn't have to be done in one stroke. Just turn the focusing ring continuously, step by step, more than 360 degrees. Turning the other direction will reset the counter. Okay. To switch between display settings, meters or feet, display on or off, the camera body has to be set to manual focus beforehand. Would have helped if I'd read this whole instruction book before I started playing around, I won't lie. To switch the display on after it has been set to display off mode, turn the focus ring as described 360 degrees beyond the infinity position. The display mode menu will appear. Oh, there we go. It takes a full 360 degree rotation to adjust the setting here. So I'm just going to keep on going right back to manual focus. There we go. So don't be like me, kids. Read the manual first. And that's how you adjust the setting on